Go another dope spot. It looks like an outside bar. It's called Zades Lounge right here. So, Zade Lounge. I'm gonna try to take y'all in here on NaperVille. So this is it, Zades Lounge. And so it's got a nice little outdoor area out here. And so I'm gonna take y'all in with me. So you recommend the poolside?
I do. It's a blue drink. It's like a summer.
Let me drink my poolside. Let me check out. I need a lot of liquor. $13. It's alright. It's decent. It's got a decent amount of rum in it. So I don't think it's that much though. So it's alright. So the menu is in French, so this is like the porn star drink or whatever. Let me taste this. I like this better. I like this better than mine. This is actually good. So this is the truffle hamburger. I got it cut in half. I got the other half right here. So I got the blue or blue burger. You can get it cut in half. So this is the blue or blue burger right here. So I got them getting me some honey barbecue sauce for my fries and my burgers. So I need honey barbecue sauce. But what's on it? Okay. All right. So this is. So this spot is a winery they have down at.
You can come in the vlog. He's a server assistant and I'm
So
a
tell us
host.
about this winery.
There's 64 wines you can try. She'll get you a wine card to try them. I'll put you in a seat and he'll bring you your food.
Yeah, yep, that's about it.
Gotcha. You guys have every wine in the world you can.
We do.
Really? Oh.
And seltzer and cider.
Oh,
And
gotcha.
3 types of non-alcoholic drinks: Coke, Sprite, and Diet Coke.
Yeah. And some cocktails too.
Yes, cocktails, thank you. And favorite menu item?
I don't eat the food.
I don't eat the food either, but
Oh,
the truffle
fine.
fries look good.
So you guys do have food and wine.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
A full
fine.
page menu.
And it's right up off the lake too,
Yeah, you
or the
can
river.
sit on the river.
You can sit on the river and
Yeah.
have a meal.
Yes.
Thanks. Wine station where you can sit and pour your wine, your own wine. Oh, you can just sit and try different wines. Oh, nice. Great idea. They got pretty much everything that you might possibly need. More considerate. Anyway. So this is nice little spot, Bev's. So this is a restaurant right off of NaperVille. Whoa. No guns. Bev's. You guys will say anything about the restaurant? Great.
Amazing.
Great food, great place.
Of course.
I like atmosphere where you can sit down and have a drink and be outside and enjoy the weather.
For sure.
Yep, all right, thank you.
Anyway.
Hey. So this is Bev's. This is a nice little outdoor spot. So this is a nice little restaurant where you can sit and you got an indoor and an outdoor. This is a nice Florida type of feel to it. Oh, so this is nice. You sit outside and eat, which is really nice. That's great. Beverly Thrills. So the Beverly Hills, Beverly Thrills. So this is the Cat in the Hat for those old timers who remember the Cat in the Hat. I know this not some youngsters wouldn't know what that is, but I do. So all in all, Zade's bar ended up being very nice atmospheres. What I really like, an outside spot to eat. I like that. They had a band up there where you can enjoy your meal, enjoy your drink, and have entertainment there. Nice seating, what's so crowded. What I liked the most about NaperVille River Walk was that, you know, it's a lot of great spots close to each other, lots of them. And you don't have to pay $50 to park, take 30 minutes to find a parking space, or jump on a train. You don't have to deal with all that traffic and all them people. Hey, all in all, man, I really enjoyed myself.